Now let's solve for x here. Okay, so we are given 5 exponent x squared equals x. So how do we solve for x? Now let's first of all bring this part down, okay, as we take log on both sides. So I prefer using the natural log. So solution, so I will take ln of 5 raised to x squared equals that. All right, now let's go by the power rule as we bring this one here. Okay, so that will be x squared ln of 5 equals to ln of x. All right, so I would like to group the x on one side. So I'll divide both sides by x squared. And the same here. This one will go. So I have this ln of 5 equals ln of x on x squared. All right, so let's observe this carefully. Now I would like to write this one in linear form. Okay, so let's not forget that 1 over x is the same as x to the power of minus 1. So this side will be ln of 5 equals ln of x times x raised to minus 2 per this property. Now from here, we would like to introduce our Lambert W function. That is how it goes. So Lambert W function, when we have e, okay, we have alpha times e raised to alpha. When we take W function, the answer will be alpha. Okay, and also when we have e raised to ln of something, the answer is that. So we are going to apply the two properties here. So I will say ln of 5. So instead of this one, I'll support it with this ln of x times e raised to ln of this one, x raised minus 2. Okay. Now, this one is a power rule to come here. So I have ln of 5 equals to ln of x times e raised to, so we have minus 2 ln of x. Okay, so we are working towards what is here and what is there being equal so that we can apply the Lambert W function. Remember I said alpha times e raised to alpha, so this side must be the same as this. Now we have minus 2 ln of x, where this side is ln of x. Something is missing here. So this minus 2 is not here. So I'll balance it by multiplying both sides by minus 2. So minus 2 ln of 5 minus 2 ln of x e raised minus 2 ln of x. Perfect. So from here, this and this are the same. So I can go ahead and take W function. So we have W function of this. Have W function. Okay. So from here, this side, so when we take W function, we get alpha. So we get one of them. So we have minus 2 ln of x. and this side remains the same, ln of 5. Okay, so I would like to manipulate the negatives here. Okay, so I can say two, okay, times minus 1 ln of 5, and this one is same as 2 times minus 1 ln of x. So we have w function, so the negative will come here, that will be 5 to the power of minus 1, will be the same as 1 over 5 x to the power of minus 1. So we have w function, so we have 1 over 5, 1 over 5 here. Okay, and this side will be 2 ln of 1 over x. All right, so let's let me close it. Let's get rid of this. So I'll divide both sides by 2. All right, so okay, so that will be this one, ln of 1 over x equals to w function of 2 ln of 1 over 5 on 2. Now we have the x, so what do? We need to get rid of this ln, and don't forget this e raised ln, okay, of, let's say 4 is 4. So when I raise this, it will vanish. Okay, so I'll raise both sides, have e w function 2 ln of 1 over 5 there. I'm raising both sides, so this side will be 1 over x equals to e raised to w function of 2 ln of 1 over 5 on 2. All right, now remember we have the x, so this one will go and this one will come, so it's go and come like that. So that will be 1 over e raised to w function of 2 ln of 1 over 5 on 2 equals x. So x has this solution. So this is the solution. X equals to this. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share.